Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Nreal Air AR Smart Glasses. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $379. Now before I get started, there's two important things I want to say. Number one, shout out to Nreal for sending me these to review. I don't know if they noticed or not, but these just changed my life. And number two, I've been reviewing tech products on YouTube for over 15 years. And it's been a while since I had a product that really blew my mind. Now, the last time I could think about that was maybe 2 years ago with the virtual reality goggles. Now, if you never used VR goggles, the first time that you use them, they're going to blow your mind and leave you speechless. That's what happened to me 2 years ago. Fast forward to today. Now, I've been using the Nreal AR Smart Glasses all day long, and ladies and gentlemen, these just blew my mind, okay? I am flabbergasted. I'm willing to put my name and my YouTube reputation on the line and say that if you buy these glasses, you're not going to just like them. You're going to love them. And if you're like me, these are going to change your life. Now, I'm trying not to overhype these, but this is one of those products that I am completely in love with. Trust me. All right? If you don't trust me on nothing else, you're going to love these. Let me tell you about the features real quick. This is like having a portable home theater. Now, it's compatible with Android, iOS, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. Now, if you're using an Android phone, it's going to feel like you're watching a 201-inch TV. Let me repeat that. A 201-inch display. Now, if you're using an iPhone, it's going to be a 130-inch display. Think about that for a second, okay? Now, it's full 1080p. You got 400 nits brightness with a 46-degree field of vision. Now, you got two open-ear speakers that feature bass boost, echo cancellation, noise cancellation, and dual microphones. Now, you got 3D head tracking. You got 40 degrees flexibility, 20 degrees flexible hinges, and 3-position adjustment. That's for your viewing angles. Now, there's no battery. It's going to run power from whatever you plug it into. Now, you got two different modes. You got AR space. I'm going to try and show you what that looks like. AR space is the same way when you put in your virtual reality goggles and you see all your home menus. It's like a big AR space. Different apps, different videos, streaming services. That's your AR space. And you have my favorite mode, AR casting. What that means is you're screencasting your device to the glasses. So if you got an Android phone and you plug it in, you're going to screencast your phone to the glasses on a 201-inch display. Crazy, okay? And the best thing about these is they look and feel like regular glasses. Now, the thing about VR goggles, okay, you can't say VR glasses, VR goggles, because that's what they are, a big giant set of goggles. You cannot sit up in Starbucks with VR goggles on, okay? You're going to look crazy. You don't want to be on a flight with a big pair of VR goggles that start to get hot, start to steam up, start to get heavy on your head. Imagine a 4-hour flight with VR goggles on. It's not going to happen. You're not going to be comfortable. With the Nreal Airs, look how lightweight these are, and look how they look. Now, when you're wearing these, which I'm going to show you how they look in a minute, I'm going to actually take them outside and show you how they look in the field, in the real world. These just look like regular glasses. You're not going to be able to see the lenses. If somebody's looking at you, it's going to look like you're just wearing glasses. Incredible. Okay, now inside the box, you get your traveling case, okay? Nice felt material on the inside, so it's not going to scratch up your lenses. You get the Nreal AR Smart Glasses. You get some more nose pads, okay? Now, this is pretty dope. You get a light shield. Now, I'm going to show you how these look when you're wearing them, but if you want to get fully immersed, bang, throw the light shield on. And now it's going to give you that same effect of wearing full-size VR goggles because no light is going to come through. Now, the thing that I love about these is when you take the light shade off, if you're outside, you can't see your hand in front of the screen, okay? But you can still look down and read your phone. You can move the glasses up, see the outside world easily. But if you're in your house or you're on a flight and you want to go full throttle, okay, you put the light shield on, throw on a hoodie, throw on some earbuds, and you in your own world with a 201-inch display. Now, it comes with your prescription lens frame. You get a USB Type-C charging cable. Actually, charging cable. You have Type-C, USB Type-C plug-in cable. Because, again, there's no battery. USB Type-C plug-in cable and a cleaning cloth. Now, let me show you how this works. It's real simple. And, of course, usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. Real simple. You're going to plug in USB Type-C, bang, right to the back of the sunglasses, AR glasses, actually, and one end into your phone. So let me grab a phone. Now, I'm trying to remain calm, but this is just too much fun, and it's too crazy. Look, now, you're going to run the Nebula app. So you got AR Space or Air Casting. Now, we're going to choose Air Casting. Okay? Now, watch this. I'm going to see if y'all can see this or not. Matter of fact, okay, let me see if, oh, look at that. Now, you can see you can see in the camera. Matter of fact, watch this. Let's go to YouTube. I'm going to start a video. Look inside the lens. Do you see what's going on in there? Look closely. Now, I'm going to pull up another phone. Let me get an iPhone. Let's go to camera. Let me pause this real quick and talk to y'all again. This is one of those kind of videos that, just like a set of Bluetooth earbuds, you're not really going to experience it unless you put the earbuds into your ears. Same thing. You're watching a food taste test video. You can't taste food through YouTube. You can't see virtual reality and augmented reality through YouTube. But I'm going to try to show you as best as I can. Let's hit play on the video. Oh, look at that. Okay, now look. Can you see it? Look through there. Look at that. You see that? That's a perfect view right there. This looks now, it might look small through the glasses, but when you're wearing these, it's going to seem like, I'm telling you, it's just amazing. It's going to seem like a 200-inch TV. And the best way for me to describe this, the easiest way for me to describe this, I don't know what size TV you got in your house. Okay, now the biggest TV I got right now is an 80-inch TV. I got a few of those. Now, if you watch my office tour video, you see my office is kind of small. So that 80-inch TV, I'm sitting right in front of it. So if you sit right in front of a big TV and look up, it's going to seem even bigger. 80 inches feel even bigger when you're sitting close. If you go to the movie theater, if you sit all the way in the back, you can see the full screen. But if you sit in the front row of a movie theater, the screen looks twice as big. That's exactly the effect that you get with these glasses. I'm going to try to pull it close to the lens again. Let's hit play. This is full size in your glasses. I'm watching a full YouTube video just like this in the glasses. I mean, again, my YouTube name and reputation on the line. Matter of fact, let's throw the light shade on and see if we could get a better view like that. Okay, let's see if that makes any difference. We'll try that again. Okay. Now, it's going to be hard to really judge how this looks, but it's full 1080p, crystal clear. Okay, you can't see through it with or with the light shade out. You can't see your hand. You can't see objects behind you. So if you're outside at Starbucks, you're not going to see nothing unless you want to see. If you want to look underneath it. But inside, it just looks like a giant movie screen. Now, you can hear the speakers. Open ear speakers. You hear the music. Simple controls. Now, say you just want to black out the screen real quick. Press that button. Black out the screen. Press it, it turns back on. Then you got another 2 buttons right here. This is your brightness rocker. So you can make it brighter or make it more dim. Let me pause the video. Like I said, it's very few products that get me this excited. It's easy to get jaded with tech. You seen one Bluetooth speaker, you seen them all. You use one phone, you pretty much use them all. It's every couple of years a product comes out that really changes the game. If you travel, these are a game changer. Now I was playing around with these upstairs in my room. I am literally counting down the days to my next flight. All you got to do is download some movies. Now, if you like me and you start to lose your vision, you're watching a little flight, a little TV on the airplane, you all hunched over, leaning over, looking at that little screen. Now you got a 201-inch display in the palm of your hands. And since it's connected to your phone, let's exit back out of that. Let me show you again. See if we can see. Let me see if these, put these back on. Okay, we go to AR. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to let's go to, okay, got it back on. You see, this is my home screen right here for my phone. You see? I know it's pretty annoying to try to do this like this, but this is my full home screen, you see? But it just looks giant inside of the glasses. So watch this. I could go over to Instagram. What is it, family show? I could go over to Instagram, full Instagram, okay? Full YouTube, all of your websites. And what's extra dope is, watch this. I'm going to turn on Samsung DeX. Okay. Hit the DeX and inside. You see it like, look at that. You can't even hardly see the whole screen. That's one side of the screen and the other side. Full Samsung DeX. Connect this to your gaming console. Go crazy. Nintendo Wii, Stream Deck. Your laptops. Fellas, do I even got to spell it out? Scumbag material. This is a game changer. Now, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go outside. I got to run over to Dunkin' Donuts and get me a little Frappuccino. I'm going to show you how it looks like when I'm wearing these in the real world. I'm going to be sitting in Dunkin' Donuts, and I'm going to be on YouTube watching some videos, and you tell me, do I look crazy or not? As opposed to if I was in Dunkin' Donuts with a virtual reality headset on. Check this out. All right, so I'm sitting up in Dunkin' Donuts, and to the naked eye, it looks like I'm just wearing a regular pair of sunglasses. Tuck the wire in. Enjoy my Frappuccino. But meanwhile, screencast. Let's go to YouTube. Watching a full-size video. Oh my God. It's ridiculously big. And look how discreet these look. You're gonna love these. These are blowing my mind. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. You could wear these in public. You can wear them at work. You can wear them traveling. And you're not gonna look crazy. They look like a regular pair of glasses. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Nreal Airs a major go. Now that's a quad major. That's the highest ranking on my channel. That means buy these. Okay, if you don't trust me on nothing else, trust me when I tell you, you're gonna love these. They're gonna change your life. Now, quick story. I was sitting in front of my house just now playing Xbox Game Pass, Killer Instinct, on a 201-inch display. And everybody's walking past me. It just looks like I'm chilling, wearing a pair of sunglasses. How crazy is that? Anyway, the Nreal Air AR Smart Glasses, you're going to love these. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
On, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.